English Practice Part 1.
Hey, I heard you're heading out of town again. How long is this business trip supposed to be?
Yeah, I'll be gone for about a month this time. My company's opening a new branch in Singapore, and I've been assigned to oversee the initial setup.
A whole month? That sounds exciting, but also kind of exhausting, doesn't it?
It definitely will be, especially with all the back-to-back meetings and the time zone difference, but I'm looking forward to the experience.
Are you going alone, or is your team traveling with you?
A couple of colleagues are flying out next week, but I'm going ahead to finalize a few contracts and meet with the regional director.
I imagine you'll be super busy the whole time you're there.
Yeah, most days are already scheduled from morning till late evening, but I'm hoping I can sneak in a bit of sightseeing on the weekends.
You should. Singapore's beautiful. Have you ever been there before?
No, this will be my first time, so I'm trying to read up on the culture and local customs to avoid any unintentional faux pas.
That's smart. Do you get a chance to come home at all during the trip?
Unfortunately not. It's back-to-back commitments, and flying home would just be too costly and time-consuming for a short break.
Wow, a whole month away from home. That must be tough on your family.
It is, especially on my kids. I've already set up weekly video calls with them though, and I promised to bring back some cool souvenirs.
That's sweet of you. Do you at least get some sort of bonus for all this travel?
There's a travel allowance, and depending on how well the launch goes, I might be eligible for a performance bonus at the end of the quarter.
That sounds fair, but still, don't forget to take care of yourself while you're over there.
Trust me, I'm packing vitamins, comfortable shoes, and probably way too much coffee.
Sounds like you're preparing for a marathon, not a business trip.
Honestly, it kind of feels like one. But I'm hoping this project opens more doors for me down the line.
It probably will. I mean, international experience always looks great on a resume.
Exactly. Plus, I think it'll help me grow both professionally and personally.
Will you be staying in one hotel the whole time, or moving around?
Mostly one hotel near the office, but there's a 3-day site visit to Malaysia during the third week, so I'll be bouncing around a bit.
Oh wow, that adds even more adventure to your schedule.
Yeah, I'm kind of nervous, but also pretty excited. It's a big responsibility.
I can tell you're ready for it though. You've always been the guy who rises to the occasion.
Thanks, that means a lot. I just hope everything goes smoothly and the team vibes well with the new staff over there.
You'll make it work. You always do. Just remember to check in with us from time to time. We'll miss having you around.
I will, for sure. I'll send updates whenever I can and maybe some photos too.
Safe travel, Jake. Go make it count.
Thanks, Amanda. I'll see you in a month. With stories to tell, I promise.
English Practice Part 2.
Good evening. Welcome to the Garden Bistro. Do you already have a reservation or would you like to be seated now?
Good evening. We don't have a reservation, but we were hoping you still had a table for two available.
Absolutely, we still have a few tables left. Please follow me. I'll take you to a nice spot by the window.
Wow, this is perfect. I love how cozy the lighting is. Thank you.
You're welcome. Here's your menu. Can I get you started with something to drink while you take a look?
Yes, that would be great. I'll have a glass of iced lemon tea, and my friend will go with a sparkling water, please.
Got it. 1 iced lemon tea and 1 sparkling water coming right up. I'll give you a few minutes to look over the menu.
A few minutes later.
Are you ready to order, or would you like a few more minutes?
I think we're ready now. I'd like to start with the creamy mushroom soup as an appetizer, please.
And I'll have the Caesar salad to start. Could you please ask the kitchen to leave out the croutons? I'm avoiding gluten.
Certainly. 1 mushroom soup and 1 gluten-free Caesar salad. And for your main course?
For the main dish, I'll go with the grilled salmon, but can I substitute the mashed potatoes with sautéed vegetables instead?
Of course, that's not a problem at all. Grilled salmon with sautéed vegetables instead of mashed potatoes.
I'll try the chicken parmesan. Does that come with a side dish?
Yes, it comes with a choice of pasta or a side salad. Would you prefer one over the other?
I think I'll go with the side salad, but could I get the dressing on the side?
Absolutely. Chicken parmesan with a side salad. Dressing on the side. Anything else for now?
I think we're good for now, but could we also get a basket of breadsticks while we wait?
Certainly, I'll bring those out right away along with your drinks.
A few minutes later.
Here are your drinks and your breadsticks. Your appetizers should be out shortly.
Thank you. Everything smells amazing already. After the appetizers.
How is everything so far? Is the food to your liking?
Yes, the soup is absolutely delicious. It's rich but not too heavy, just perfect.
And the salad is great. Thanks for remembering to leave out the croutons.
I'm glad to hear that. Your main dishes should be ready soon. I'll check with the kitchen for you.
Later.
Here we are, grilled salmon with sautéed vegetables, and the chicken parmesan with the side salad.
This looks amazing. I really appreciate the substitution. Thank you again.
Wow, the chicken looks perfectly cooked. I can't wait to dig in.
Enjoy your meal, and please don't hesitate to let me know if you need anything else.
English Practice Part 3.
I've barely slept these past few nights, just thinking about the Viva. What if I freeze up and forget everything I've written in my dissertation?
Come on, James. You've worked on that paper for months. You know it inside out, even if your nerves are trying to convince you otherwise.
But what if the examiners ask something completely unexpected? Something I've never even thought about.
That's what preparation is for. And even if they do throw in a curveball, they're not trying to trick you. They just want to see how you think on your feet.
Easy for you to say. You passed yours with flying colors. I feel like I'm going to mess this up and embarrass myself completely.
Believe me, I was a nervous wreck the night before mine, but once you sit down and start talking about your work, it gets easier by the minute.
I keep imagining the worst-case scenario, me stumbling over my words, sweating, and forgetting my main arguments entirely.
That's just anxiety playing tricks on you. You've got this. You've spent hours rehearsing your presentation and refining your arguments.
I know, but sometimes it feels like it's never enough. Like no matter how much I prepare, I'll still come up short.
You're not expected to be perfect. It's a discussion, not an interrogation. They're there to assess your understanding, not to scare you.
I suppose that makes sense. Still, I keep second-guessing everything I've written, wondering if I've missed something critical.
It's natural to doubt yourself before something big, but don't let that doubt overshadow all the effort you've put in.
Do you think I should reread all the sources again, just to be safe?
No need to overdo it now. Trust in what you've already learned. At this stage, rest and confidence are more important than cramming.
Maybe you're right. I guess the fear of failing is just getting the better of me.
Failing isn't even on the cards, James. Not with the amount of work you've done. You're well prepared, articulate, and passionate about your topic.
Thanks, Liv. I really needed to hear that right now.
Anytime. And remember, if they challenge your ideas, that's a good sign. They're engaging with your work, not rejecting it.
I hadn't thought about it like that. I always assumed questions meant I'd done something wrong.
Not at all. It means they're interested. It's your opportunity to show them that you can defend your position and think critically.
I suppose I just need to shift my mindset and see it as a conversation, not a test.
Exactly. Talk to them as if you're explaining your work to someone genuinely curious, not someone out to find fault.
That does sound less terrifying when you put it that way.
And don't forget, they've been in your shoes before. They understand what it's like to be nervous about a Viva.
That's true. I keep forgetting they're human too.
Take a deep breath, get some rest tonight, and walk in tomorrow knowing that you deserve to be there.
You know what? I think I needed this talk more than I realized. I'm feeling a bit calmer already.
That's what friends are for. You've got this, James. Just go in there and show them what you're made of.
I'll do my best. And thanks again, for everything.
Anytime. Now go have a cuppa and stop worrying for tonight.
English Practice Part 4.
Hi, Mr. Sanders. I hope I'm not catching you at a bad time, but I really need to talk to you about something important.
Of course, Jamie. Come in, have a seat. What's going on?
Well, for the past few days, I've been feeling really under the weather, persistent fatigue, headaches, and now I've started to develop a fever.
That doesn't sound good at all. Have you seen a doctor yet?
Not yet, sir. I was planning to go today after work, but honestly, I think I might need to take a few days off to rest and get properly checked out.
Absolutely, your health comes first. You don't need to push yourself when your body is clearly telling you to slow down.
Thank you for understanding. I hate to ask for time off during such a busy period, but I don't want to risk making things worse, or spreading anything to the team.
You're doing the responsible thing, and I appreciate your honesty. How many days do you think you'll need?
I'm hoping 2 or 3 days will be enough, depending on what the doctor says. I'll keep you updated, of course.
Take as much time as you need. Don't worry about the workload. We'll redistribute it for now. Your well-being is more important.
I can't thank you enough, sir. I was honestly worried about bringing this up.
You never need to hesitate when it comes to your health. Besides, you've always been a dedicated worker. This is the least we can do.
That really means a lot. I've been under a lot of stress lately, and I think my body's just had enough.
That's completely understandable. And you know what? I'd like to offer some help with your medical expenses too.
Wait, really? I wasn't expecting that at all.
Yes. The company has an emergency health fund for situations like this, and you qualify. We'll cover the cost of your consultation and any prescriptions.
I'm honestly speechless. That's incredibly generous of you. Thank you so much.
You've earned it. You've gone above and beyond on so many projects, and we take care of our own here.
I feel so lucky to be part of a company that truly looks after its employees like this.
That's the culture we're trying to build. Just focus on getting better, and don't worry about work for now.
I'll head to the clinic today and send you any necessary medical documents as soon as I can.
No rush. Just let HR know, and they'll help you with the paperwork for the medical reimbursement.
Okay, I will. Thank you again for being so understanding and supportive.
Of course. And if there's anything else you need, transportation, extra time off, anything, just let me know.
I really appreciate that. I'll keep you posted on how things go after my appointment.
Please do. Take care of yourself, Jamie. We'll be here when you're ready to come back.
Thanks again, Mr. Sanders. I'll do my best to recover quickly.
Don't rush. Health first. We'll hold down the fort until you're back. Please subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you.